Dave, I'm at my favourite place. It's Cronulla in Sydney. The waves are pumping. It's God's country, mate.
Well, I've got to tell you, mate, I'm here to check out a pool. We're here to catch up with Kate from Cronulla Pools, so I reckon we get in there.
Let's do it, mate. We'll go check the waves later.
Exactly. Kate, thanks for having us here today. How did you get involved in this project?
We were so lucky when our clients came to us wanting a pool. They just wanted a plunge pool. We've got a confined space. They wanted to utilise the boundary wall, and they just wanted something that's going to capture the light in the best part of the day.
Been talking about Aussie UnderCover since I've got here, and apparently it's sitting right under here, so it's very, very discreet. I've got to say, what a great system.
This is the best system ever. I can't believe in the modern day that you can get something stuck under these composite boards. You can walk across it, pull it, and then just go straight out.
I know, you wouldn't even know it's there. And for us, you know, there's a huge investment when you're building a pool, and so you want to get the most bang for your buck. You want to be able to use it all year round, and if you're heating your pool, the money that you save and the heat that you retain by installing a cover is just invaluable.
Yeah, so there's a bit of sustainability about this as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Aussie UnderCover is a hidden pool cover system.
Yep.
But we're different from the other guys out there because with our system we allow the customer to choose what they want it to look like. So for instance, on this pool that we've been talking about today, it's got a composite timber on the lid.
Yep.
So it's integrated fully into the deck and completely invisible.
Yeah, so when we did season 1, we actually filmed with you guys, and that was actually tiled over there, so you can fit sort of any surface on this lid, can't you?
Pretty much any surface. We can do tiles up to 20 mil.
Yep.
We can do composite timbers or regular timbers up to 35 mil. Virtually anything out there. We're having a lot of systems with synthetic turf on the top so that they're part of the grass, and yeah, just whatever you can imagine.